It must be my week for working on filthy equipment. Earlier in the week I was bought this laptop, which was absolutely disgusting inside, and today it's a tower in a similar state. You can see all the dust and whatever blocking the power supply ventilation. What is worse, just check out the state of this CPU fan. Strange to say, the thing doesn't power up anymore. What we need to do is to determine whether it's the power supply that's blown or possibly the motherboard. But before we can do any of that, it definitely needs a clean. To determine whether it's the power supply that's at fault or the motherboard, I've removed the main power connector from the motherboard. To turn a power supply on, what you need to do is to short out the green wire to ground. There's a number of ground wires around it, so just with a bent paper clip, I'm going to put that in, shorting out the green and the black. Nada. If the power supply was working, we'd be able to hear the fan, but clearly there's nothing. So I guess the power supply is shot. Let's go and find another. Here with the replacement power supply, let's try the same trick with the green wire. Immediately we can see the fan spinning up. My word, isn't that quiet? Lovely. Don't suppose it'll be like that for very long. Now the acid test. Will the PC boot with the new power supply? Excellent, another fix.